Zucchini and Gruyere Frittata squares are perfect for a cocktail party. Basically think frittata that you'd normally put in a pan, and they're baked in a sheet pan, and I cut them in small squares. They're so good. I'm starting with 6 ounces of pancetta that's half-inch diced. I've cooked it for about 5 minutes, a little olive oil, and next I'm gonna add some leeks. 4 cups of chopped leeks. They've been washed and spun dry. It's really important to dry it. If they're too wet, they'll steam instead of sauteing. These are gonna saute for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I've got the zucchini all cut up. They're 2 small zucchinis, just sliced. I think the leeks and the pancetta are done. Smells good already. Only 2 ingredients in here. So I'm gonna put the zucchini right in. Just pile it all in. This is great because you can make the whole thing in advance and actually reheat it. Takes very little time. That's 2 small zucchinis sliced. And then some fresh thyme. I've got 2 teaspoons of thyme that I've minced. Just give it a big stir. This is gonna cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until the zucchini's tender. So I have 12 extra large eggs. I use extra large because I think they're better value, more egg per dollar. Just whisk it all together. I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of half and half. Some salt and pepper, 1½ teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Actually, the nice thing about frittatas is you can make all kinds of frittatas. Potato basil frittata is one of my favorites. Smoked salmon and cream cheese. Okay, that's the eggs. Now I'm gonna add some cheese. I have 10 ounces of Gruyere. I'm gonna put like 2/3 of it into the mixture and then save 1/3 of it to put on the top. And then basil. Just got basil leaves. You need about 1/2 cup julienne or roughly chopped, whatever you like. Just like that. Okay, that's about 1/2 cup, right? Right into the bowl. So give it a stir. Mix this together. I know people think of this as like a lunch dish, but it's a really great hors d'oeuvre. You can serve it hot, you can serve it room temperature. It's fantastic. Okay, that's the egg mixture. So now I'm gonna take a sheet pan, which I've greased with olive oil, and I'm gonna take the mixture of pancetta and zucchini and leeks. Smells so good. It's crazy. I'm just gonna spread it out evenly on this sheet tray. The reason why you don't mix the eggs and the zucchini together first is because they'll sink to the bottom, and then you won't have an even distribution of the vegetables and pancetta. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour the egg mixture with the Gruyere and basil right over it. And pour it on evenly. Just make sure the eggs and the Gruyere and everything gets well distributed. Okay, give it a little shake so it's even. Okay, just a little more cheese for the top. I've never known anything that cheese made worse. This is gonna be really good. Okay, now all I have to do is bake it and cut it in squares, and it's a party. Okay, so I'll put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. When the time's up, I'll take it out and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Then cut it into 30 squares in the pan using a ruler to help make a straight edge. Carefully remove them with a small spatula and put them onto a platter. Sprinkle them with salt and julienne basil. These look pretty great, don't they?